if your next home had just the right amount of space with thoughtful upgrades making everyday living feel easy, this beautifully maintained low-maintenance condo combines functionality, comfort, and abundance of natural light, making it a truly beautiful space. Welcome to Unit 1101 at 300 Croft Street. As you step inside, you're welcomed into a bright and inviting space filled with natural light. The upgraded kitchen and flooring are a true highlight, offering a fantastic flow with plenty of workspace and layout that connects seamlessly to the living and dining areas. It's a space that works just as well for everyday living as it does for entertaining. This home features 2 well-sized bedrooms designed for comfort and flexibility. You'll also appreciate the abundance of storage throughout the home, with space that can easily double as a functional work-from-home setup or quiet office area. A standout feature is the addition of a second bathroom,